Hi people, so I had a few orders for body butters. We're actually the year is coming to an end, so we're already out of stock. So I had a few orders for some of my clients, and another person was doing a bulk order. So I was preparing the body butters, and I thought to myself, why not come and show my people how I make this, like the behind the scenes. So here I'm just trying to. I've weighed everything before now. You have to weigh your butters and then your oils. Skincare has to be done with like proper calculation, so you know how many the percentage you're using. So here I'm not going to be telling you the names of the butters because this is not a butter making tutorial. It's just like the behind the scenes of how I make my butters, body butters for sale. Winter and Harmattan in Nigeria has been dealing with a lot of people's skin, and this product has been coming in strong. Like the results has been amazing. So here I'm just measuring my butters. You have to separate your hard butters from the light ones. So you have the hard one there, so I'm going to melt them differently. This time around I'm weighing my oils. I'm just measuring my oils rather. So the oils, most people they heat the oils as they heat the butter, but it's really not advisable because these are carrier oils and you're still going to freeze your butters, so there's no point. This point my butters, I left them in the freezer for too long, so it was really hard. At this point I was already making progress, and voila, it's getting better. So you just have to keep whipping this butter. It took me a lot of time. So at this point I added my coloring. Yes, the coloring is very healthy. So here is the piping of the butter. You can see I was struggling. Gosh, this was not the first time I was piping, but this was the first time I was using a piping bag, and it was really, my hand was already paining me. I see it in a lot of YouTube videos and I'm like, people now they try, because the pain was so much, like I was using so much pressure. It got to a point I had to even just leave that particular cup, and I brought in another one. The piping is not going as planned. It's so obvious. See my struggle, like yeah. This was when I brought in another cup to fill in, because the first one was not just doing justice at all. I'm showing you people the hard part of all of this, so you guys see that it's not all easy, the work we put into it. And I didn't have any extra hand because the year is already coming to an end, and I know a lot of people are traveling, so I had to do everything by myself. I had at least 30 cups of butter to make. 30. This looks a lot better though. It looks a lot better. So guys, enough of these piping parts. Well, still going to take a while because the piping looks really nice. This time I was going over the top because I wanted to get a picture for the gram. So I wanted to do that ice cream feel. That's, I don't know if you take ice cream from Matthias in Nigeria or for abroad. I just wanted that ice cream thing so that I could snap for the gram. I think I'll put the picture somewhere where, yeah, this is what I wanted to achieve. So these are the remaining butter containers I was just filling. Please guys, just permit the noise. A lot is going on in the house. It's festive period. So yeah, this is me packing the remaining containers, and it became pretty easy because I've been doing it for so many other containers. So yeah, you guys just get ready. I'm about to show you guys the finished product. Like the picture I snapped and edited, it's so beautiful. Yeah, look at it. Like everybody has been raving about it. It smells like strawberry and vanilla. So guys, this is one of the boxes that was sold in this season, and it's going to be here even till next year. It has important products that you need, so you can actually gift this to your loved one or your friends. So it's affordable. So this is the baby butter. It's still the same process but different ingredients. This is the baby butter. It is good for children. It helps their skin glow. It is really amazing. This one, the texture is quite different. It's lighter than the other one. It is amazing. A lot of children use it. Yes, this is the finished product, and it is vanilla in fragrance. Like mothers love it for their children, so we just stuck to it. Here's a beautiful picture of how it looks. Okay, no, this is a video. This is a video, and here's the picture. So after this, I had a delivery to make to one of our mothers that uses our products for her children. This is just me on my way to go and do my delivery because a lot of riders were busy this period, so I had to go myself. And of course, now I withdrew money.
Thank you.
I love money. You guys should patronize us this year.
Oh my goodness. Oh, Sarah, I love you. Oh, oh, my skin is gonna glow, glow. Oh, thank you, Sarah. Mwah. This is for Melissa. Mel B. Your Auntie Sarah, it's going to do you well. This is for Michael and Michelle. Yeah. Michael, Michelle, come and say thank you to Auntie Sarah. Yes. Like, oh my God. Look out for me, 2023.
Yes, so give for energy.
Yes. See, tell them how's the cream been? You know, making your skin glow, right? Yeah. Thanks to Auntie. Oh my God. Yes, Auntie Favor, because she's been rubbing you, rubbing the cream. But thanks to Auntie Sarah for making this lovely buttercream, right? Yeah. See now, check out skin now. Oh God.
You just smile now. Why are you doing that?
Sarah, why? Oh, 2023.
Let me look at
Okay, talk just now. You are.
Don't shift. This is for me. Me.
Also, is this cream for you?
Yeah.
What if that cream? I thought this one.
This is for Melissa. This is me. Melissa.